It is a movie, man. I am digging it. I'm gonna be the loudest in the neighborhood. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was finally finishing up the blue wide body Hellcat Charger, man. I can't wait. That thing is finally done, man. We're about to go pick up our wheel from Chewy's and head up to the shop and go drive that thing for the first time, man. So I can't wait, man. Y'all gotta rock with your boy, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. You guys know we are coming down to the wire for the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man. So now's the time to shine. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a Road Glide for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you see we got a garage full of Road Glides. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular special Road Glide with all the oohs and ahs on that joint, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go copy you either a hat or a wallet. Either one will gain you entry to the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, I can't wait as much as you guys can't, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com right now before it's too late. It's time to get this show on the road, man. I'm about to go pick up this freaking charger and I'm gonna let you guys know how this thing works out, man. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road now, shall we? All right, so now that we know we're getting our Hellcat back today, we just have to take a quick trip down memory lane. So you guys remember, this is the very first Hellcat we ever got. This one came wide body and all that. This is Daytona number 499 of 501. So this is the one and only one of the rare one. Our blue one that we picking up today, it actually started off as a narrow body. It just came about to be probably one of the freaking nicest Hellcats I've ever seen. Only because it's mine and I done it. But with that being said, man, the black on this, I don't know if it's gonna stay or we're gonna freaking change this thing up just because that blue looks so freaking sick. I just feel like I gotta like throw a color on this, man. So if you guys got any color ideas for the Daytona on the rose gold daddy-os, man, drop your ideas below, man. Let your boy know. And no, I don't wanna do a white and a freaking rose gold because I know how many of you guys are gonna say I don't wanna do it. But color-wise, man, let me know in the comments below. We got that thing out. We about to go see what that blue thing looking like. We're about to go see what that blue thing looking like, man, because this black one kind of taking the show right now. So we're going to see. Then we got to find out where we're going to park it. This should be a task, and we got to see what's good, man. Trackhawk, Hellcat, Vetti, Lemmy. I don't know, man. This is about to be one of y'all, so I guess we'll be able to park this thing right here, man. So we'll probably have to be parking this Big Daddy on the street. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up, man. We did the walk around before and we seen everything. Now let's see it on all fours with the right lug nuts and everything. Oh my God. It is a movie. It is a movie, man. I am digging it. She definitely looking nice. She definitely looking nice. Ooh, with the oohs and the ahs on that thing. With the oohs and the ahs on that thing, man. Yeah, that thing look hard. What you thinking?
I like it.
I like it. Damn, that one look like it's hard. That thing hard. That thing killing. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. We looking nice now, y'all. I'm digging it. This thing is cold. Yeah, it look good now. I ain't gonna hold you. You did that, man.
Yeah,
that shit's sick.
Crazy.
You did that, man. Did a whole 360 on the car. Y'all see what it looked like before, man. Now y'all see what it looked like now. I'm gonna hold you. That thing looks sick. It's a movie. Ooh. enter to win right now, man. Everythingregular.com, man. Go get you a hat or a wallet, man. You can win this thing next, man. You see me out here in the Hellcat. Man, this how you can be sliding, man. Come get a bar, man. You see how we coming, gang. It's up. Alrighty, guys, next day here, man. We got that blue thing at the house. The sun is shining bright. Oh, the skies is looking right. We got every car in the driveway right now. This is how we had to take over the driveway right now. This is how we had to take over the driveway. Got that Big Daddy with the Big Daddy behind it. Can't even really see what's in the driveway. And then you come over yonder. You got your blue Big Daddy Hellcats right there. The Big Daddy. I'm trying to figure out which one got a faster 0 to 60 time. The Trackhawk, this Hellcat, or our Daytona Hellcat. Man, we're trying to figure it out. I might pull this black one out today. I'm not sure. I just know it's going to be a lot of cars I have to move in order to do that. So I'm kind of cool on that, but we'll see what's up. I actually want to take this thing on the first ride with y'all. Now, y'all know narrow body is a little bit different than a wide body. So I want to see how this thing ride compared to how it was when it was narrow body, man. You guys remember that first ride we took in it? So we'll have to see what's good. So I didn't take the first ride by myself, but I really enjoyed it by myself, man. So now I'm gonna get a chance to enjoy it with y'all real quick. Y'all see we moved the big truck out the way, man. So it's time to slide. I got Boosie Boo just pulled up on me, man. Hey, man, you remember what happened the last time we pulled out the Charger, man? We low-key went viral, man. It was raining, wasn't it? It was raining last time, so we got traction and stuff today. You know, the narrow body and that wide body a little different, man. So we're gonna see how this thing slides today on some dry land, man. We might even pull out the black one and see to compare the two. We might, man. We gonna see what's good though. About to hop in this joint, man, and go for a little spin real quick and see what's up, gang. It's a movie. Alrighty, man. So we are in that joint. And we on foes, man. Y'all know with the stock wheels, man, it usually it don't go as crazy as with the wheels on here. With the wheels, man, these things just literally just spin, man. So we're gonna hit a couple corners, see what's good. It's hot as heck up in here, but we're gonna get this show on the road, man. I can't wait. Can't wait. Let's see what we got. See, I need that cold air intake. See, if y'all win it, they can probably get the cold air intake for themselves, you know. We giving them the whole Hellcat, so if y'all win, just bring a cold air intake so you can get that wine that you want. That be on the way home, baby. Yeah, right, right. Typically, I would have just hit the SRT button for y'all, but I had already hit it prematurely, man. So I had to just switch that thing into M mode, click down a couple times, You feel me? Click down a couple of them. A couple of them. Oh, it's crazy. I ain't gonna even hold you. I thought we was gonna go for a longer ride, but this thing just blew my mind. I ain't gonna even hold you. That blue is something different. I don't even gotta pull out the black one. I had enough fun in that blue thing, man. I had enough fun in that blue thing, that's for sure. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. I might get y'all some more little riding content or something pretty soon, but y'all stay tuned. And if y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win this SRT with the red key, man, this can be you, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular hat or wallet. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. You guys know what time it is, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's all love. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go, yeah. I hear a motorcycle around the corner. They yamming. And my dad said he was gonna come this way. He ain't been here yet, so I was literally about to hop on my bike. Look, see? I was literally about to hop on my bike and chase the sound down. I was literally about to hop on the bike and chase the sound down. I'm gonna be the loudest in the neighborhood. You gotta be the loudest in the neighborhood, man?
I'm not the loudest, you the loudest.
I was about to come chase you down. I really was. I didn't know you was coming on your bike. I was like,
come chase me.
I was gonna come chase the sound down.
You wasn't gonna catch me. If I was already out front, you wasn't gonna catch me.
Oh my God. I was gonna come chase you down.
Bro.
I definitely heard the bike like, who is that? We don't hear that around here.
We was looking like, hold on, what's going on?
I know you heard it. I want to make sure you heard it.
I'm like, man, we don't hear that around here. I definitely was about to go get on the bike.
It was me.
I'm telling you, I sure thought it was somebody else, but y'all see it here first, man. He put up on that road, King. No helmet today? That's how you feeling?
No helmet. There ain't no helmet state. You ride with no helmet? Why I can't ride without one?
Floating in the wind?
Hey, bro. You know.
So what you want to do, man? You need that or something?
What? I need what? Your bike is fast, so I keep telling you that.
Okay. I'm just making sure. Cause you was yamming down the block over there like you wanted some smoke. Cause this is my area right here. So
you want to give me some bikes?
What you want to do?
Do you want to give me some bikes?
How many you need?
You want to get on the freeway?
We don't need to do the freeway, bro.
I want to do the freeway.
Bro, I want to go.
I know you ain't going to do this.
No, I want to go from a stop to stop and go straight. See?
I want us to have a destination to see who get there first.
Nah,
you let me
we gonna run into traffic and everything, man. I just want to get.
You gotta know how to ride through traffic.
Man, that's cool and all, but
straight is good, but you gotta know how to get
here we go. Straight is good. Straight is the only way to go. Straight is the only way to go.
Act like you're being chased.
This guy.
I know we at it, and the folks come. I'm not stopping.
Man, so when you gonna put the bags back on here, bro?
Man, my bag is missing. I got one up here and the other one in LA somewhere.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Y'all see what it is, though, man. He didn't put up on that thing. We got the 2 minutes we was looking for, Boosie Boo.
Came right in time.
Yeah, right in time. Right in time. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all know y'all haven't seen this bike in a while. All the chromed out gadgets and everything.
So shiny.
Me, all the oohs and ahs. All the oohs and ahs, man. Talk about detail. Little buttons on there, little gifts and the gadgets. I can dig it, man. What y'all think about the Road King, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Would y'all want something like this next or what? Alrighty guys, so we did make it back home. My pops pulled up, checked out his bike a little bit, made me even want to get on my bike, man. So I just pulled my bike out right here, man, and then I actually organized the driveway a little bit so it doesn't look so crazy out here, man. So with that being said, we put all the Hemis in the garage, man. We stuffed every single Hellcat in here, man. 700 here, 700 there, and 700 on that end, man. We got each coast fulfilled with 700 horses, man. So our garage is looking really, really nice right now. Actually, not even just so much the cars, but just the organization skills, man. I'm excited about it because I was here. Everybody don't really got to stop so much and turn their head and freaking stop their car dang near, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We finally got a chance to pick up our wide body Hellcat. You guys know that thing is up for grabs right now, but not only that, man, got a chance to ride that thing for the first time with the wheels and the wide body kit and everything. I think it slides pretty good and pretty slick. What do you guys think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole giveaway, man, you guys know what time it is. We've got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you see we got a whole garage. Well, right now we got a garage full of Hemis, but we got a whole collage of freaking Road Glides. So third place, you'll receive your very own Road Glide special with all the oohs and ahs on that joint, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you an Everything Regular hat. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. You can also get an Everything Regular wallet. Either one will put you in a winning for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man. You guys know what time it is, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now while you can, because it is almost that time to shine. I can't wait. I can't wait. Now that we picked up the charger and stuff, we can get this show on the road. We just got to go to LA, pick up our rims for the bike, and the bike should be done by the end of the week, man. So I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the video in the comments below. Meanwhile, we'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.